He need help. He's fucking with him.
What's up, man? I want them big ugly bill. I want them big ugly bill. I want them. My name ain't Rob. That's a slave name, man. My name is Barcelona. Guys.
Get him out.
Get him out. What's going on, man? What's up? What can we help you with? I want his social security number. I want his address. I'm gonna cut his ass off and put him with his mom. How about beat your bitch ass up there? I've been assaulted by a white woman. Don't worry about it, I'll get your tail, player. I'll smoke you and cut her head off, player. Call the police, man. I'm talking to y'all. Please get Miller. I'm cutting up with Maya fine ass. No, I don't want nothing from nobody. I want everybody to stay away from me. Hey, y'all know. My brother is from here. His name is T.O. He got diamonds in his mouth.
What can we help you with? That's what I'm wondering, man. What do you mean?
Yes, come on.